Today's video is sponsored by Geologie, skincare specialist. Please check the link in the description. Winter is coming and we have Emily, snow clearing Emily. Here's the tender, very nice, very cute model. It takes one AA battery and the tender. And listen to this. This model is 2009 Mattel. Very cool model. If interested, as always, check customtrackmasters.com. Link is in the description. Nice. And this is how it looks. The battery compartment, very clean. All right, let's continue. Skiff. This model is not motorized. It's a freewheeling model and it's a 2014 or 2014 Mattel. I think. Yes, very nice skiff. I think this was with it came with Hue. I think Hue and skiff. Correct me if I'm wrong. Oh, come here. Very nice skiff. Then we have a flip-faced talking Thomas from Hero of the Rails. I think it's Hero of the Rails. Yes, here's the coupling. It does have some tear and wear, normal for the age of this model, and it takes two AA batteries on the tender. Batteries installed, and the switch has two positions. On this position, you can flip the face.
I discovered a very old engine named Hero. Watch out for the jam.
And if you turn the switch to the other side, the engine runs and it might talk when it flips. Now this model does not come with the tracks. The tracks are not available at this moment. You can find those tracks on eBay at extra cost, but this model is running fantastic. As always, check the link in the description. Oh, look at that. Little sheeps, pigs and piglets. These are part of the see inside livestock cars. There's some eggs, ducklings. I think those are ducklings. Yeah, they look like ducklings. There's the duck. I don't see any chickens, so those are ducklings. Very nice set. This is 2010 Mattel. I do have the other set, I think it's dining cars, but unfortunately they are the same car, so I couldn't post them, but check the link in the description. Customtrackmasters.com. See inside cars, livestock. Very cool, very cute models. Very detailed. Today's models, they are, Trackmaster Revolutions and Trackmaster and All Engines Go are horrible. Well, that's just my opinion. So we have a 2013 Charlie Mattel. Look at this model, purple Charlie, and it takes two AAA batteries. Of course, none of these are included. I like these engines. The design of the motors are quiet, but that's the plus. But the negative thing that I don't like is the groove wheels. I know it's the traction, but once you put it in the track, it's, you hear that? Yeah, I think the mic. Yeah, they make noises. The groovy wheels, this geared wheel makes the noise and makes it worse. I don't like that design. Other than that, even this, we've been talking about this. These are not even close to the Trackmaster 1 models. But anyways, I was watching the other day the video that they made the design, so all the cards, all the chassis will fit in every single design. So yeah, you know about it. The other day I was misspelling this. I say Duke, but it's Duke. I know, sorry guys, but I'm Spaniard guy, so I definitely do not speak really well, but I'm learning. Thank you for correcting me. Anyways, so this model takes one C battery, and this actually is 2009 Mattel. There is Duke. I was about to say Duke, but it's not Duke, it's Duke. Duke. What was the name of this model actually? There was another name. Let me know in the comments, because I think I watched one video once and they say, and Duke say, it's not actually my name, it's not that, it's Duke. But let me know. Very nice model, guys. Check the link in the description. Also, don't forget to check Geologie. These are skincare specialists. Very nice brand. You're gonna see this brand all over the YouTube. There's a affiliate program with this brand. Talking about yellow colors, we have a Tolkien Victor Trackmaster 1. It's actually 2011 Mattel. Some tear and wear on the decal. That's just the front buffer. And actually these decals are okay, are fine. Tolkien Victor. Takes 3 AAA batteries. That goes in the tender. Make sure you put their batteries right.
Hello, I'm Victor.
Otherwise they will not work. Now the switch is on.
Hello, I'm Victor.
Very cool model actually.
Buenos dias, my friends. Visit the Steamworks.
So this model habla español como yo. Eso es bueno. I like it. Well, I think this is the... Hold on. I think this is the only model that speaks Spanish in the series. Let me know in the comments. I haven't seen these videos or the chapters or the of Thomas and Friends, but I think this is the only model that habla español. I mean, in the series. Now we have Ari. Yes, Iron Solar, Iron Works Ari. Normal use, that's good. And this model takes 1C battery, not included. Of course, you see in this, I removed the screw of it to make it easy on the video. And these engines, the other days I was talking about these designs. Duke diesels, all the diesels, maybe those are models that come to my mind now. They are very quiet design. The gearbox is very quiet actually. Nice. Yeah, also Ari is in my website, customtrackmaster.com. If interested, link in the description. Dash, we have Dash now. This model is Mattel, also 2009. It is clean. I'm gonna say it's clean actually. Battery compartment, everything, it's perfect. Quiet. Oh, also this design, I think it's Bash in Dash. Also this design is very quiet. Talking about the gearbox. Oh, look at that. Can you hear that? Of course, you're gonna find some of these models on eBay or Facebook Marketplace, or the what's that, flea markets or yard sales. Some of these make noises. Now I explained several times that you can find the gears or the cog for these motors on my website. Check for parts, customtrackmaster.com, parts/parts. There you're gonna find the gears. Of course, check your motor and count the teeth or the tooths on these motors. There might be 8 or 10. Don't forget to screw back tight. Cool. See, I haven't checked eBay lately, but I checked this model and this is selling for 40 bucks. 40 bucks, $35. It's insane. About last year, this model was around 15 bucks, but now on eBay, check the prices, 40 bucks. They're selling for 40 bucks this specific model. That's insane. But anyways, so always my website is cheaper. I mean, it's cheaper than eBay. And of course this works. Now let me tell you about this model. This model is missing the nameplate on the other side right here. You can see it right there. It's missing that nameplate. I was about to make the decal, but it's just one decal. It's the only one I have. It's the only model I have about these Reneas. Okay, 2009 Mattel, and it's very cool. All these Trackmaster 1 models, always very nice design compared to the new models. I mean, all engines go are cute, but they are not as good as these models. All engines go prices are very low, and these are very expensive. So if you happen to have one of these Trackmaster 1 models, keep them with you. Don't sell them. Keep them. The price is gonna increase. Hero is the last model of today's video, available on my online store. Now this model was restored. Check the link in the description for this model, available on my website. You've seen the video of this here. It's a previous videos. Very nice model, Hero. Now let me tell you something before I end this video. Make sure don't use fine pointed. Some of these use a very big wide tooth or whatever on these screws. Don't make the mistake that they strip it, because I hear some comments the screws are stripped and blah blah blah, but they are not. It's just that you need bigger tips for your screwdriver. Yes, some of these you can open it with fine tip, but not all. Anyways, very nice model, Hero. Yeah, cool models today. Check the link in the description for customtrackmasters.com. Also, Geologie. Thank you, Geologie, for sending me all the skincare products. Don't forget to like and subscribe.